the Dean of the College, Dr. Mehra, the Registrar Sahab, Dr. Sati, the Director of Academics, Dr. Arvind Vijalwan, and wonderful faces that I'm seeing as faculty members of this university, and very dear students and all. Dr. Lakshmi has been my favorite student, in fact, so she spoke so much about me. आप उस पर ज़्यादा ध्यान मत दीजिए, what she spoke about that, you know. उसकी जो well, you see, I mean, it's been a nostalgia for me, you know, that I came here. I spent 22 years, you know, beginning 1984 till 2007 in one go, you know. When I was coming this time, you know, I was just trying to recall, you know, my first experience when I came to this place, you know, way back in 1984, April 2nd, 1984, when I was appointed here as JRO, Junior Research Officer in Plant Pathology, you know. It so happened that, you see, I was appointed, you see, way earlier than when I joined, in fact, but I was not willing to come here because I was given the impression that it's a very difficult place to live in, you know. You have no water, no electricity, no housing, nothing of this sort, you see. It's difficult, you know. So I took my time. And in the sense that, you see, I went to ICRISAT. You know ICRISAT in Hyderabad, you know. It's an international institution. So I went up there to look for a postdoctoral fellowship over there, you know. And I was able to secure it as well. I had a choice, you know, to go to ICRISAT or to take my first appointment, you see, after my PhD that I finished in 1983. So then appointment में मिला तो रानी चौरी में मिला. ये मैं सोच रहा था कि क्या करें, जाएं या ना जाएं, जाएं या ना जाएं. Then I was given some good advice by my friend, you know, my very dear friend, whom I lost recently, you know, Dr. U.S. Singh, you know. I remember him always. So he gave me an advice that, you see, go and join. Postdoctoral to बाद में, you know, बिजली तो just, you see, arrived, you know, it had just arrived, you know. पानी की दिक्कत थी, पानी तो भर के लाते थे. फकवा, अभी भी फकवा है कि नहीं, I don't know. फकवा से भरते थे पानी और फिर नीचे से वो जो है वो जो इरिगेशन वालों का चल रहा था, सावली से पानी का अपलिफ्टिंग होता था, वो भी बन रहा था. वाटर टैंक लग गए थे, पानी आना शुरू नहीं हुआ था अभी. ये सब चल रहा था. रहने के लिए मकान भी नहीं था उस समय. तो एक जो आपकी लैब है लक्ष्मी, जो अभी जो आपकी पुरानी लैब है उसके पीछे जो हाउसिंग है, उसके पीछे एक इंजीनियर रहते थे बिजली के, एडीजी, असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर, एडी मिस्टर क्यू ए खान रहते थे. तो उनके साथ हमें मकान शेयर करने के लिए दिया गया. It so happened that he had his family, you know, so he had a one room plus kitchen and wash, you know, and we had one room. So with me, I had a friend, you know, Dr. Veer Singh. Both of us joined together that time, you know. So we were given one room in that time, you see. We were asked कि आप बाहर बैठ के बर्तन धोएंगे, वॉशरूम यूज़ नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि उनकी फैमिली है. तो वॉशरूम बगल में एक महेंद्र शुक्ला रहते थे, वॉशरूम आप वहाँ यूज़ करेंगे. So both of us lived in one room. एक कमरे में सोते थे, एक कमरे में खाना बनाते थे, बर्तन बाहर धोते थे हम लोग, और वॉशरूम बगल में जाते थे यूज़ करने के लिए. This is how it started, you know. And the plant pathology lab that you have right now, you see, उसका एक लैब जो है राइट साइड वाला, उस समय उसमें 6 लोग थे. हॉर्टिकल्चर भी था, एग्रोनॉमी भी था, पैथोलॉजी भी था, सॉइल साइंस भी था. बगल वाले में फॉरेस्ट्री, ये वो सब बगल में थे. तो जितने डिसिप्लिन थे 8-10, वो सभी they all have been subsumed, in fact 2 labs over there. So this is how I began, you see, I mean, my journey from Ranachari and all. But then, you see, as would have happened, you know, in a week's time, I said, I want to go back, you know. उस समय Dr. Bhadula was a joint director at that time, you know. I said, I'll go back. जाना है पंदगर साहब, बहुत ज़रूरी काम है. We had to consult library, this, that. बहाना, वापस जाने का बहाना था एक वो. So anyway, धीरे धीरे सोचा मैंने कि well, if I have been appointed by the university, you know, this is with, you know, some expectation, कुछ उम्मीद से मुझे अपॉइंट किया गया है. If I run away from here, you know, then what for? My employer has given me this job, and I have been entrusted with this responsibility to establish, you know, I mean, good labs, discipline up here, you know. So I thought, okay, then I started to settle down, you know. उस समय अनमेरिड थे हम लोग, तो वह धीरे धीरे काम शुरू किया, धीरे धीरे बिजली पानी की व्यवस्था हो गई, धीरे धीरे एक मकान हमें मिल गया, फिर वीर सिंह के साथ ही मकान मिला, हम दोनों शेयर किया, आधा आधा उसका, ऐसा सब शेयर करते थे हम लोग, कई दिन से चलता रहा इस तरह से ही. Then you see, in 87, you see, I got married, in fact. And my wife came from Hyderabad. I was very afraid, you know, that she's coming from Hyderabad. And if she has to come to Ranishori, you know, what would she feel like, you know? ये कैसी जगह में मुझको आप ले आए? But then she was very supportive. She was extremely supportive, you know. And she incidentally, you know, said, well, this is heaven. I said, okay, now it's good, you see. You feel this happen, you know, I'm comfortable, you know. And it was indeed heaven, you know. I still believe that the stay I had at Ranishori, and she also joined me in saying that 22 years that we spent together at Ranishori was the best time in our life, you know. Best time, you know, that we had at POC. We have two children, Rohit and Benchu, born here only, you know, studied here only. You see, New Tehri में पढ़ने जाते थे वो लोग. My wife used to go there also teach. She was teaching up there, you see. दोनों पढ़ने जाते थे. यहीं से पढ़े लिखे. I'm glad to say to you that, you see, बेटी मेरी मंचू जो है अभी वो, she's based in London now, you know. And she studied there, and she's now working over there. My son Rohit is based in US at Michigan now. He's settled over there. दोनों बच्चे बाहर हैं, born here, brought up here, पढ़े लिखे यहीं पर ही, and doing best in their life, you know. So this is how, I mean, we began up here, you see. I give all my credits, in fact, you know, whatever I have learned in my life, you know, the hardships and everything that I learned, you know, I did from here. She told about that. I went to the Philippines, you know, for postdoc fellowship. Please believe that, you see. The Dr. Robert Ziegler, who was the PI at that time, then he became the Director General of IRI, you know, for 2 times, you know. He came up here. From Philippines, he came here, stayed with me for 3 days up here in this university, in a small campus, you know. Went around with me, saw things, what I was doing, impressed with my work, you know. And then he chose me as a postdoc fellow, you know. Remember, I went for doing postdoctoral based on my research that I did at Ranishori only, you know. Only here it's just. So this place had enough, you know, potential, enough scope, everything, you know. I remember one again is a glorious day, you see. I mean, in my life up here, and that was that, you see. From Panagar, you know, Dr. P.L. Gautam was the Vice Chancellor, who's now your Board of Management member also, is the right time, you know. Maybe he has come here recently, I guess. Did he come here? Not here, okay. He was planning, you know. So he came, he was joint director here also, you know. Then VC Panagar, you know. Then you see, he gave me some money, good amount of money, 8 lakh rupees. At that time, it was a huge sum way back in, I think, it was during late 80s, I guess, you know, early 90s, you know, to purchase a microscope. And it's Olympus microscope that we imported from Japan, you know. It was $58,000 US. उसमें US dollar की कीमत जो है 8 रुपए थी जो हमने खरीदा था. And it's Olympus says that was the first unit, you see, they are supplied in India to anyone. Olympus Venex X microscope, which she has right now, you know. This is greatly endeared, you know, microscope, you see. The very first of its kind that we had, वो हमने establish किया रानीशोरी में. And it was great, in fact. ये microscope पन्नगर में बनी था उसके अंदर, आसपास कहीं नहीं था. So used to invite people from here and there, from Panagar also, to do microscopy, you know, being here. विद्यार्थी भी यहाँ आते थे, फिर डॉक्टर गौतम वाइस परमार चले गए, उनके स्टूडेंट वहाँ से भी यहाँ आते थे. So this was great, you know. So we were doing good research, you know, very nice research, so being up here. The key was that, you see, that we didn't give up. We didn't give up, you know. My colleagues with me, see, Dr. Arya थे, Saxena थे, Chaturvedi थे, कई मेरे साथ दोस्त अच्छे. They put their heart out, you know, and stayed here with strong determination. 1 hour, you see, all the difficulties. बिजली जाती थी 3 दिन के लिए, पता लगा ट्रांसफार्मर फूक गया, फिर ट्रांसफार्मर से रस्सी से खींचते थे, ऊपर लाते थे, उसके ऊपर चढ़ाते थे. पानी नहीं था, सावली से पानी नहीं आता था, फिर पानी फपा भर के लाते थे, बर्फ़ इकट्ठी करते थे, उसका पानी बनाते थे. We were doing many innovative things, you know, great thing we used to do. But then the best part was that to see we were also serving the cause of farmers all the time, you know. So much so that कुछ किसान अभी भी हमारे खुशीराम अभी भी हैं जो अभी भी मुझसे बात करते रहते हैं, फोटोग्राफ भेजते रहते हैं कि सर ये लगाया कीवी लगाया देखिए हमने, बताइए इसमें ये दिक्कत आ रही है क्या करें. So many things we did up here. So they are great memories, you know. If I keep on talking on that, maybe एक घंटा पूरा उसमें निकल जाएगा. But I don't have much time because I'm told that I have only 1 hour. इसमें से कुछ टाइम निकल गया already. So anyway.